The United States Army has announced that Anduril's Ghost-X unmanned aircraft system has been selected to modernize the Army's reconnaissance capabilities. The Ghost-X features a single-rotor design with 90 minutes of endurance, 25 kilometers range and a payload capacity of 25 pounds, meeting all demands of modern warfare. Ukrainian forces have reportedly destroyed a Russian Shahed 136 long-range attack drone equipped with a Starlink satellite communication terminal. The terminal is believed to provide a stable satellite communication link for the transmission of data, potentially enhancing the drone's effectiveness in reconnaissance and strike missions. According to Azerbaijan Defense Ministry, JF-17C Block 3 fighter jets have officially entered service with Azerbaijan's Air Force. The JF-17 is a single-engine multi-role combat aircraft designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat, boasting high maneuverability at low and medium altitudes and effective firepower. The U.S. State Department has approved a foreign military sale to Romania involving the purchase of 32 F-35A Lightning II Joint Strike Fighter aircraft and related equipment. The estimated value of the deal is $7.2 billion, marking one of the largest defense procurements in Romania's history. China announced the successful launch of an intercontinental ballistic missile carrying a dummy warhead into the Pacific Ocean. While the exact type of missile used and its flight path remain unclear, but analysts believe the ICBM was likely DF-41 ballistic missile, designed to reach speeds of up to Mach 25 and can carry up to 10 nuclear warheads.